Connect the mount. Put the nut into the ball head. Push the magnetic mount into. Tighten the nut. Customize brackets for Tesla Model 3 and Model Y. Twisting the rear screws, adjust the mount's length. Adjust the bracket to the appropriate position. Note, the side screw can be unscrewed to remove the ball head. Install the mount. Put the stand on the screen and adjust length. Tighten the 3 back screws to secure. Angle the front optimally and place the phone. How to install the metal ring. Only install outside the phone case. Only for smooth plastic case. Clean the phone case surface. Use the positioning card to install. Peel off the film. Stick the metal ring and press hard. Remove the positioning card. After sales service.